Hello students, and today in chapter 9 we are going to learn about HIV AIDS. In standard 3 you learned about HIV infection, also its prevention, but in this chapter today you will learn about effect of HIV and AIDS, as well as care and support of people living with HIV and AIDS. Let's look on the effects of HIV infection. First, it is immune system damage. It targets and destroys CD4 T cells, weaken the immune system ability to fight against infections and disease. Second, it is opportunistic infection. A compromised immune system makes individuals with HIV susceptible to opportunistic infections, which are typically less severe in people with healthy immune systems. Third, it is stigma and discrimination. HIV can be associated stigma and discrimination, affecting mental health and quality of life for those who are infected. And now let's look on how we can care for people living with HIV and AIDS. First, it is medical treatment. Ensure a person take a prescribed medication called antiretroviral therapy. They should also attend regular medical checkups, and we should encourage them to communicate openly with healthcare. Second, it is to promote a healthy diet. We encourage a balanced and a nutritious diet to support overall health and help the body to tolerate medications. Third, it is emotional support. We should encourage them to have open communication and address any fears or concerns they may have. Living with HIV/AIDS can be challenging, and having a supportive friend or a family member is very crucial. Fourth, it is combating stigma. We combat stigma and discrimination by educating others about HIV and AIDS and promoting empathy. Also, encourage participation in support groups or counseling to connect with others facing similar challenges. Fifth, we encourage them with exercise, as it can contribute to their overall well-being. Number 6, it is prevention of infections. We encourage safe practice to prevent the spread of infections, including the use of protection during sexual activity. And lastly, it's about encouraging independence. We support them in achieving their goals and engaging in activities